Hello, this is Taavi from 3DPrinterOS. So today we're unboxing DeeGreen from be3D from Czech Republic, and so we're gonna right away start with cutting. As you can see, this printer has really nice design. It looks like an industrial machine, but a lot smaller. So the first thing what we got was actually 2 spools of filament, USB and AC cord. And actually now I'm going to start unboxing the inside of the printer. So first thing what I'm going to do is remove the top plate. Everything is done with magnets. So the second thing is removal of the accessory box. Just take it out. It actually has a really nice place for the filament. So another door, another filament. I'm gonna take off the inside. And actually now I'm ready to install the filament. Another box to open. So from the accessory bag, you will find the build plate, power cord or power adapter then, some glue, instruction manual with a CD, USB cable, a filament holder, and build plate cleaner. So the next step is actually to install the filament holder. To install the filament, you should open this door on the right, slide in the filament holder, take the filament, I usually always remove the top part so it doesn't have any restrictions. Put it on the holder and find the guide tube. Push the filament in until the end. And you're ready to go. Just close the door. Build plate for be3D DeeGreen is 100% glass, as you can see, and it has these nice metal holders, and actually it uses again magnets to hold the build plate on its spot. And actually it was really easy, 2-second install. And the next thing is installment of the top plate. Again, really easy. So the 2 last things are cables again. USB cord and power cord, really easy install, just plug and play. Same with the AC, just put it in and press the button. Insert the filament from the menu. You just have to go under settings, filament, choose nozzle number 1, wait it to heat it for it to heat up, and then you're ready to go. So for your first print, actually it's really easy, just a few clicks, print, press on print, select test model what you want to print. For our case it's going to be the vase PLA. Just press print. I missed it. Huh, third time worked. And actually now it's going to start heating up the nozzle. As it's a PLA only printer, it doesn't have a heater plate. And actually now your first print is on its way. So, conclusion for the be3D. We really like the colorful design. We really like the industrial grade design. It has really nice doors. It's really nice and really good feeling to just touch this machine. Even the filament is in a totally different place. It's not on the side or on the back or on the top. It's actually inside the printer. We really like the touchscreen menu. It's really easy to use the printer. Just as you saw, only 2 clicks to start my first print. And electronics are really well hidden. We really hope that it doesn't have any problems. I'm sure that it won't. And actually, it's quite a plug-and-play machine. Really hoping and really waiting for the integration, so everybody who has a be3D printer can play around with our software and use 3DPrinterOS on all be3D machines. So thank you very much. It was my pleasure to unbox this printer, and follow us on our social media #3DPrinterOS.